Looking for the perfect graphics card to power your Blender creations in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best graphics cards for Blender, diving into performance, features, and value for money. Let's get started and find your ultimate Blender GPU. Number 5. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super. Packing a mighty punch, the RTX 4080 Super obliterates the competition in 4K resolution. Compared to its predecessor, the RTX 4080, it boasts a 1.4% performance leap. That might seem small on paper, but in the heat of battle, those extra frames make all the difference. And if you're considering the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX, the RTX 4080 Super leaves it in the dust with a staggering 7% performance advantage. But wait, there's more! The RTX 4080 Super even rivals the mighty RTX 4090, delivering near-identical performance at a price tag that's a whopping 40% lower. That's right, you can experience near-flagship power without emptying your wallet. So, you're looking for the ultimate 4K experience without going bankrupt? Look no further than the RTX 4080 Super. It's the undisputed champion of smooth high resolution, offering exceptional value for your money. This powerhouse isn't just about raw performance. NVIDIA's Founders Edition boasts a sleek design that'll turn your PC into a centerpiece. It's a statement piece for anyone who take pride in their setup. While budget-conscious artists might need to look elsewhere, the RTX 4080 Super is a premium investment that delivers unparalleled results. It's the perfect choice for serious creators who demand the best possible 4K experience. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 7600. This is for anyone on a tight budget. The AMD Radeon RX has arrived, bringing the power of AMD's RDNA architecture to the under-price range. Despite its attractive price tag, this graphics card packs a serious punch in terms of performance. The RX 7600 truly shines in 1080p. At this resolution, it delivers exceptional value, even challenging the more expensive NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti 12GB. Even at 1440p, the card holds its own, offering decent performance despite having only 8GB of VRAM and a 128-bit memory bus. Running all the latest PC games at 1080p with smooth 60fps gameplay is a breeze for the RX 7600. Most titles will run flawlessly on the highest graphical settings. For graphically demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077, some setting adjustments might be necessary, but achieving a smooth experience is still very much achievable, especially with the help of AMD's Fidelity FX super resolution technology. While ray tracing performance remains a step behind NVIDIA's previous generation mid-range cards, AMD's RDNA 3 architecture has significantly narrowed the gap. This means you don't have to completely give up on ray tracing features just because you're opting for a more affordable AMD card. The RX 7600 offers a compelling balance between price and performance, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious people. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Number 3. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super lives up to the hype. It delivers impressive performance at a familiar price point, matching its predecessor. This graphics card is a clear step up from the base RTX 4070, boasting additional processing power and a faster base clock thanks to its increased number of SMS streaming multiprocessors. However, anyone craving ultra-smooth K visuals might want to consider the NVIDIA RTX Super due to the Super's GDDRX VRAM. Don't worry 1440p enthusiasts, the RTX 4070 Super is your perfect match. Its powerful specs, cutting-edge DLSS 3 with frame generation, and NVIDIA Reflex technology combine to deliver phenomenal 1440p experiences. While the RTX 4070 Super generally outshines AMD's RX 7800 XT, especially in ray tracing, AMD takes the lead in raw performance with their RX 7800 GRE, particularly with the introduction of their frame generation tech for FSR. Even with some tough competition, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX Super remains a top contender. It's the ideal NVIDIA graphics card for most users, especially those seeking a mid-range option that offers a perfect blend of excellent performance, content creation capabilities, and impressive overall power. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Number: AMD Radeon RX GRE. The graphics card market has a new champion in the AMD RX GRE. This mid-range monster punches well above its weight, delivering fantastic performance and features at a budget-friendly price. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a creative professional, the RX 7900 GRE is a compelling option. Originally a China exclusive, the RX 7900 GRE is now a global powerhouse. It directly competes with the NVIDIA RTX 40 and 70, but its sights are set even higher. Benchmarks show it trading blows and even surpassing the pricier RTX Super in some areas, especially with upscaling technologies like AMD's FSR in play. This is a testament to the strides AMD has made in closing the gap with NVIDIA in ray tracing performance. You will rejoice at the RX 7900 GRE's prowess. It excels in traditional rasterization, delivering smooth frame rates even at high resolutions. The card's ray tracing capabilities are no slouch either, significantly narrowing the gap between AMD and NVIDIA in this area. When you factor in FSR's upscaling magic, the RX 7900 GRE can even surpass the RTX 4070 Super in some instances. The RX 7900 GRE isn't just for gamers. Creative professionals like graphic designers, photographers, and video editors will find it a capable companion. However, D-modeling remains a weak point for this card, so content creators focused on complex D work might need to look elsewhere. Thrown the RTX 4070 Super entirely, the RX 7900 GRE offers incredible value for its price. Its impressive performance across various tasks makes it a must-consider for anyone looking to upgrade their graphics card without breaking the bank. And more details, check out the links given in the description. Number 1. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. The best graphics card for Blender is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 isn't for the faint of wallet. It's hefty on price, needs a special power connector, and boasts a substantial size. However, this isn't just any graphics card, it's a beast that tackles any graphical challenge you throw at it. Currently the undisputed king of GPUs, the 4090 holds the performance crown, likely for a significant time. Our tests revealed a significant leap over its predecessor, the 3090. Synthetic benchmarks showed a 2 to 4 times improvement, while some games enjoyed frame rate boosts of up to 100%. The revolutionary DLSS 3 technology pushes frame rates even further, potentially maxing out even the most high-end monitors with frame generation. Let's be honest, most users won't require this level of graphical muscle for years to come. The price tag is a serious consideration, especially in today's market. But, for those who crave the absolute pinnacle of graphics processing power, the 4090 reigns supreme. It's the undisputed champion for those who demand the best. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Picks for the best graphics cards for Blender in 2025. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. See you in the next video. Happy rendering!